This is our little Pete, who is a 6-month-old Cavapoo. And he may look like a foo-foo dog, but he is a terrier-spirited dog. He's feisty as all get out, just cute as can be. He is not a good option for kids. When he first is meeting somebody and they try to pick him up, he's scared. So, yes, you would not know that now, I know. You just have to trust us on that one. He's playful. I mean, he's a great adults kind of dog. Oh, do I have a scratch? Oh, that's a spot. That's a spot. Oh my gosh. He's great with other dogs. He's really just a fun-spirited dog. But he does need an adult home, and he needs a home that's going to give him boundaries and all of that. He was turned into the shelter. He didn't do well with the children. He was probably taken away from his litter too soon. But that's okay. We'll find the right home for him. Oh my gosh, you're so cute.